everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can easily create a professional cover letter using the Europass website. Europass website basically is a free web server, or you can say the tool that helps you design CVs and cover letters with clean formatting and strong language, which is perfect for job applications, internships, or study programs such as master's and PhD programs as foreign students or international students. For this, you have to go to the Europass cover letter. You have to write the Europass cover letter on your Chrome and then click on this first link. Here, if you already have created the cover letter or CV, you have to click on this and you can upload the file, previous file, and make changes and according to your requirements. Moreover, if you are new to this web server, then you have to click on the create new cover letter. Here you can see that you have to add your personal information, employee details. After personal information, then you have to add the employee details and then introduction, body, and closing. First of all, you have to enter your first and last name, uh, like John Smith. Then you have to add the address line. As international student, you don't have to write the full address like street number, the house number, or apartment number. Contrastingly, I prefer to just add the current town, city, and postal code or zip code and the country, like. And then city and then country. Moreover, you have to write your contact information. You have to write your contact information wisely because employer will use this to reach you. And then you have to click on the save button and it will save your information. Like here you can see in the display. If you want to edit your information, you can click on this edit button and it will edit your information according to yours. Like sometimes you can make mistakes. In that case, you can edit your information. Moreover, you have to add the employee's detail like company name, the position you are applying for, or the address or apartment if you know it. This show professionalism and attention to detail. So in this case, I am going to send this cover letter to a professor for a PhD fellowship. For this, I have to add the title and the name is Max. If you know the name of the organization, you can add the information of the organization like University of Melbourne. And if you know the address, you can add the address, the city, and the country. And after that, after adding all the information and the address and the contact, in all of the information, you have to save this information. In this section, you have to add the subject line. I am going to send this cover letter to a professor for the PhD position, so I will write that request for PhD position in Professor Max Carr lab. So you can add the subject according to your requirements and then save this information. If you didn't know, like if you are not just sending this cover letter to a specific professor, or you are just applying for some job or fellowship, then you can write that to whom it may concern. Like you are not going to specify, or you are not going to email this cover letter to a specific person, then you can click on to whom it may concern. Otherwise, you can write that I think dear is okay for me. Yes. In the main body, Europass gives you the ready-made phrases, or you can add your relevant qualifications, your work or research experience. Moreover, you can add your technical and soft skills in this section. And the most important thing, that why you are suitable for this position for which you are going to write this cover letter. And importantly, you have to try to keep it concise and professional. For the main body, I already have written a paragraph, so I am going to copy and paste this, because if I am going to type, it will take too much time. So I just copy and paste this information here and just save it. Moreover, you have a closing statement or closing paragraph. You can end your cover letter politely. Europass also provides closing sentence options like "I look forward to the opportunity to discuss my application," or you can say that "Thank you for considering my application." So, for the closing statement, I will also copy and paste this information according to my requirements. You can edit it according to yours. Moreover, you can here write your name, and if you want to add your signature, you can upload the signature image from the upload button. But in this cover letter, I am not interested to add my signatures, so I just save this and then go to the next button. This will give you some more points, like if you want to add the page number. No, I don't want to add the page number. Moreover, you can make the uh, text size of your cover letter small. It will just it's I think it's more small. I am not going to go with this. I think medium will go perfect for me. So moreover, here they just give you some templates. I think this will go with myself. Yes, I am going to select this cover letter, and here they give you the color options too. Like you can see, it changes the color. Yes, you can see here. These are the color options. You can set it according to yours. I think I'm going to with this one or this one. I think it looks more professional, or this one. I think this one. Okay, then go to the next option. And here you have to add the name of the file that you want to save. So click on the download button. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I am just opening this file and here you can see how perfectly and smoothly it just created your cover letter. And if you want more tutorials like these guys, let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching.